Hi! So you might be wondering what we are doing here. But let's fix this lamp, alright? I guess I just want to make some Japanese lamp. So, let's go! Just to give you a context, this lamp is a project of one of the students of my mother, and she liked it because it's pink. But let's make it white right now. So, let's go to the studio. Okay, bye! Hi! We're here again with our pink lamp. However, it's not gonna be pink anymore. I'm sorry, mother. But let's go with the materials first. I am thinking about using this, but it conducts heat, so let's be fire friendly. Use parchment paper instead to have a Japanese paper like feeling. And before I forget, I already have a frame here of some lamp. However, I do not know if it still has a body. But thankfully, we have a perfect lamp here. But to make it more like a Japanese one, let's use these wires. And the other materials that I have here are the receptacle, the bulb itself, in which I purchased an LED one. Here are some materials that I might be needing, but it's not yet final. So I have here wooden dowels, some popsicle sticks, some wood, and glue gun, a string, and the body will be staying. And we will change this lamp bulb since it's just a night light. So let's start. Let me check if it's still working. This will be the wires that I'm gonna be using to wrap around this frame that I have found. The purpose of this is not just to look my frame a Japanese like. It is to hold the paper much better since I will be just using some light materials here. To those who are watching this, I am apologizing for my English because I want to speak in English so that I can have more audience to watch this video, and also to explain that I am not fluent really in speaking in English, especially that I do not use English on a daily basis. However, my work is somehow related into speaking in English. But my previous client was only for receiving deals. That's why I am not really engaged to speaking English. So how are you guys today? Or how are you guys coping up with today's world? Also, it's Valentine's already tomorrow. So what are your plans? So if you're watching this, Valentine's has already passed. However, what were your plans? What did you do during Valentine's? Have you dated someone or just lock yourself up in your room waiting for a miracle to happen? Now it's done. I'm just gonna add some strong glue here so that it will stay in this position. So are you already seeing the final result, guys? Right, so beautiful. Wow. I have now cut parchment papers here, so we're gonna glue here on the support alternately, so that we will have a uniform um, look later. So I wish this super glue that I have, which is a tacky glue, will work on this. If not, maybe we will try some hot glue. So I don't like using hot glue, so I hope this works.
Baka uti. Agad? Pwede. Kaya huwag kang atak nung...
First layer done.
Ready? Just like you. Well, I just hope you get to see John before you leave. Hey, Martha. There are many housemates.
Hi. I'm almost done. However, I'm still gonna put some parchment paper for the wires so that I can cover some irregularities. But see, beautiful, right?
You ready?
Hey, I'm just gonna show you that I have already put some straight lines here so that they can be uniform, right? For you to properly see it, this one. Hello, good morning. Ay. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. And so, just so you knew, I already finished this frame. So, our next agenda is to use these wires. So, let's touch it from the lamp.
Connect ka talaga sa reality and just away from
Oh. So help me. I do not know. What I'm gonna do is to add some sticks right here. And it will be like this. Cute, right? So cute. Ah. Feeling IKEA. And is it okay for me to stay it in this color, or should I just put this? Sana. Ay. It's already sturdy. I'm going now. Bye. I'm going to wrap this jute around this blue pot so that it will be matched with our upper lid. Okay? So we have already wrapped the bottom of the base of our lamp. We're just gonna fire this for a bit so that so that there are no just be careful. Kids. Alright, we're almost done with our project. And I also need some strings here. I did that already. I didn't show you anymore. Okay, let's see. It's so hard. However, it's okay. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you like this and I hope to see you soon for our next videos. Hit like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want more of this. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.